Despite pending results for Monday's election, political analysts believe the results so far may spell trouble for some members of parliament ahead of the general election. The governing JLP has 49 members in the lower house, but based on the outcome of some divisions, the JLP may be in danger of losing critical seats at the polls. Monday night pointed to the possible implications.
Well, I'd say the most significant indicator would be how many divisions you have won in each constituency. Point. Those are the numbers that you're going to need to look at.
And after the preliminary count, those numbers were troubling for the JLP. With the
All right, blessed morning, blessed morning, blessed morning. My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Big Voice Radio in the building. Yo, we just want to say enough love, enough respect to every viewer, every subscriber. If you are not yet subscribed, please, you're welcome. Subscribe, become a part of this amazing family. You get me a deal with? You know what we bring to the table. Seen? So, when we want to say, what if I respect, what if I love, and you don't know anything what we are talking about, we keep it respectful. Seen? Because everybody have them own opinions. And today me I go talk about my favorite topic, politics. You already know that. Seen? Because me know say you love it and me get to love it too. Seen? So me get to find out say boy the election is right around the corner. It might look far, but it is not. Because right now ANDREW HOLNESS him out. You don't know. Mark Golden him out. Them a trickle down, them a make sure tighten up. Because the thing is, every division in every constituency, it is going to be so close. So every vote count. Seeing? The die-hearted vote them count, but you don't know the undecided voters like myself. Them have to try them best to win people like we. Seeing? So, me I watch my thing the 50-50 right now. JLP, PNP. Seeing? So, me I go and watch and see what I go on. Yeah. But for right now, me not lie. I want to talk about two things. About ANDREW HOLNESS, because you know say him in power. See, him are the Prime Minister. All due respect. You don't know Mark Golden is the opposition. So you know him a go fight to get in. See? So now, when we want to talk about ANDREW HOLNESS specifically today, to me, him have an advantage to win, but him can also lose. I'm going to explain to you why. So you make sure you watch the video, and I'm going to post videos and clips so you can understand where I come from. Seen? So, big up everybody. You just stay tuned, and I'm going to say I'm going to play 2 videos. And I might put a bonus video at the end. If you don't stay tuned, if you don't subscribe, if you don't like, if you don't share, I'm going to post a bonus video with ANDREW HOLNESS, and I'm going to see if you don't like his message. But for now, if you start the video, I want you to understand. I'm going to play 2 videos. The one video I'm going to play first where I like what I say, that show me say him can win if him capitalize on what I talk about. And the second video is a video where him can lose. Remember now, the video where I go post or the video them where I go post are ANDREW HOLNESS own words me I use to dissect how him can become the next Prime Minister for a 3-term, for a 3rd term, or him can lose based off him own words and promise. So I want to stay tuned. I go play the first video where I like what I say, and him can win if him capitalize on it. So when you watch the intro, you know the thing, how the thing go. So after the intro, I go play the first video with what I like what I say, and then you get back to me. Boom.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean.
known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
Close the 2024 chapter. We will build on the successes we have achieved, but more importantly, we will take what we have learned and the challenges expressed by our people and write the next chapter in Jamaica's prosperity story, the 2025 chapter. This year, as I've already signaled, the government will pivot to a laser focus on growth. Growth is important to increase revenues and income, but more important, increasing output efficiently can reduce the cost of the output to you, the consumer. This is particularly true for agriculture. The Minister of Agriculture was tasked last year to develop a plan to boost agricultural production for the most consumed staples and protein in our local food basket. This year is a pivotal chapter in a larger journey towards a Jamaica that is affordable for all, safe, efficient, productive, caring, and peaceful. I know you understand the importance of reducing debt, keeping the exchange rate stable by having strong reserves, and managing our fiscal affairs that the country avoids profligate spending. I want you to know that the government understands that you want your community roads fixed, water brought to your home, affordable prices for basic items, and progressive wages, peace, and security in your communities, and decent social services. There is a delicate balance which must be carefully managed, and my administration has demonstrated time and time again through crises and shocks and times of stability that we are the best government at managing the economy and delivering the needs of the people. As we embark on the next chapter in Jamaica's journey, I reaffirm my administration's unwavering commitment to continue serving the people of Jamaica. There is still much work to be done, and we know how to get it done well. May 2025 be a year of blessings for you and your family. May our nation be victorious in achieving a virtuous cycle of peace, productivity, and prosperity.
All right, welcome back, viewers and subscribers. So, when you hear what the man say, he might talk some nice things, sound good. You don't know, me nah go talk about everything we talk about already. When you listen what him say, and that the man say. So we are taking to him words, and I hope him can deliver. You get to me, I deal with cause a progress we want results. So when you hear what him say, now, me I go play the second video, where this is the one what me call the bad video, where him make a promise to the Jamaican people, and if him not deliver, it can be trouble for him. Me I go play the video right now. I want to come back and tell me what you think about it. Alright, stay tuned.
If you want to live safe in your yard, if you want to be able to fall asleep and let your door open and wake up in the morning and still be alive, you cannot make the mistake of putting in the pain.
So the Labour Party makes another commitment to you. Unlike the PMP who say nothing can be done about crime, the Labour Party don't share that view. We believe that there is a lot that we can do to solve crime in this country. There is a lot that we can do to bring down murders in this country. There is a lot that we can do to make you safer in your house and in public spaces.
Alright, so now we know hear the second video. Remember now we know yo. Remember, you know, these are not my words. These are the Prime Minister's words and promise to the Jamaican people, yard and abroad. Because crime is one of the most significant thing right now. We are mash up Jamaica and we are turn away people from coming back to Jamaica or want to stay in Jamaica because people do not feel safe. So when the Prime Minister I go promise, and this was in promise a couple of years ago, say people are going to be able to sleep with them door open.
If you want to be able to fall asleep and let your door open and wake up in the morning and still be alive.
Virgin, you know what you tell the Jamaican people them say? This is not my words. This is the Prime Minister's words. I'm only playing what him say. Oh boy. Yo. This can be a problem for him. If the PNP double down on this crime thing, it will be a problem. Even though crime is 18% decreased, crime decline, right? It dropped. That is good.
One of the most significant outcomes of 2024 has been the 18% reduction in murders. This represents a major step forward in enhancing public safety and reducing the devastating impact of violent crime on our society.
Reflecting on 2024, Jamaica has experienced a significant decline in major crimes, marking a pivotal moment in the nation's ongoing efforts to enhance public safety and community well-being. This achievement reflects the resilience and unity of Jamaicans who have collaboratively worked towards creating a safer society.
But the thing is, Jamaican people still don't feel safe. Walk around and ask any Jamaican, yard or abroad, if them feel safe when them come to Jamaica, and hear what the answer what them tell you.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
The only people them who feel safe at Jamaica are tourists.
So can you beautiful skin?
Okay.
Like skin gets sweeter.
Okay.
Yeah man, like honey where these like.
And white people. Because nobody now trouble them. Because those are the golden goose. And like me and you, we are try a thing. Ask any Jamaican how safe them feel. If them feel safer now, or them feel safer 20 years ago.
Things got heated off Old Harbour Road, Spanish Town. Not even the media was spared as tempers flared. This happened when our cameraman Devon Fletcher tried capturing scenes from the protest.
Officer. I don't have a problem with your visit, with your video. I don't have a problem. That is your right. Yeah. But I'm saying to you, this right here is mine. Let me make that clear. And me I tell you to back up. Back way. Take away yourself from right there, sir. Stay over there, sir. Do what you want to do over there, sir. I have no problem.
So, officer, I'll say I talk to me.
Listen, I don't want you nothing. If you come in my vicinity, you're going to get up and you're going to get arrested. Comply.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
Ask any Jamaican. Me personally, me likes a crime drop and still dropping. Steady decrease, right? Me accept that and me love that. But people still feel paranoia and fear when them there Jamaica walk around. So, for ANDREW HOLNESS make that promise, PNP can double down on that and it can be a problem for him. Remember me tell you, because that is a promise where it is not fulfilled.
If you want to be able to fall asleep and let your door open, let your door open.
Because right now, more than ever before, me personally feel even afraid more now than 10, 20 years ago. Me feel more fear now, today, 2025, than 2005. You know why? Crime rate did high them time there, but it wasn't that scary. Some gun with the man, them are fire. Nowadays, yo, not even the military now have certain weapon.
Big chopper No.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
So the thing is, you have to understand, says different times. So if Andrew Holness can fix the promise there, yo, may I tell you.
So the Labour Party makes another commitment to you. Unlike the PNP, who say nothing can be done about crime, the Labour Party don't share that view. We believe that there is a lot that we can do to solve crime in this country. There is a lot that we can do to bring down murders in this country. There is a lot that we can do to make you safer in your house and in public spaces.
But if him not deal with it, PNP can, if the PNP them can do something about it to make people stop feel so much fear, Andrew Holness kind of problem. And that's just me looking and hearing what everybody has say and what me see. Me there Jamaica, so me know what I go on. Me know what I go on in the streets. See? So that promise can turn around for bite Andrew Holness if him not be careful. But if him can fix it, he will win the third term. Ah boy, make you see what I go on. Make you see what I go on. But everything look good. So me I go post a next bonus video for make you see say yo, him can redeem himself and him have the mindset, because Andrew Holness smart, you know. Him smart. So him no fool. So I go do what I have to do. So I go post a next video so you can enjoy it and make me know what you think in the comment section. Tell me if Andrew Holness I go win and why I go win, or if him I go lose and why he can lose. You know, tell me in the comment section. All I there for a reason. And this is just the iceberg of what we are going to talk about. We're not talking about nothing yet. Because we're not talking about Mark Golden yet. Because we're going to talk about why Mark Golden can win and why Mark Golden is going to remain a loser. So make we see what I'm going. But for now, a bro God we are talking about now, the Prime Minister. See? Some of you understand, say, yo, any criticism you get, he's the Prime Minister, sir, and you are not above criticism from the masses. Because all of we are yard man, all of we are Jamaican, all of we want better. So stay tuned, take in the video them, like, subscribe, and make me know what you think. Big Voice Radio in the building. I'm out.
Just completed my morning exercise and I don't get to do it often enough. But when I do get a chance to do it, you know, aside from the physical activity, it gives me an opportunity to think, especially during my cooling off period when I'm trying to recover from strenuous exertion as I try to do this morning. And I was reflecting on an important change in Jamaica that may have escaped many Jamaicans or may not be of importance to some Jamaicans in their consideration. And that is, Jamaica is becoming resilient. You know, resilience is the ability to withstand a shock or a blow to your system, to be pushed to the extremes as I tried to do this morning, but to be able to absorb that shock, persevere, and recover to better than you were before. But importantly, you do this on your own effort. Now think about it. Yesterday, the Minister of Agriculture announced that farm gate prices for some vegetables and produce were trending downwards. And this is barely 6 months after Hurricane Beryl and tropical storms and unprecedented rainfall ravaged the sector. Now, why are prices going down? This is because your government, through good management of the economy, planned for shocks. We created a disaster fund, which we've never had before, never existed before. And this gave us the flexibility to allocate funds to agriculture to support farmers to getting back into the field and increasing their production. I also want to big up all the farmers who were affected but who took advantage of support or even on their own went back into the field and increased production. I'll be the first to admit that much more work still needs to be done in stabilizing prices generally and food prices in particular. But we must admit that Jamaica today is different from Jamaica a decade ago, whether it is how we were able to respond and recover from COVID or the supply side shocks that occurred after the war in the Ukraine and the Middle East, or whether it is the ability to recover from unseasonal weather. Jamaica has done very well in withstanding and absorbing shocks and recovering. There are a couple of signs that you could use to judge the strength and resilience of an economy. And the first sign is the ability of the economy to continue to generate jobs for its citizens. And Jamaica has done incredibly well in this. We have the lowest unemployment rate, practically close to full employment. The other sign is the ability of the government to produce a budget without raising taxes. And, this government has gone several budgets now, I believe 9 budgets, without having to come to the people to say, hey, we did manage the affairs of the country that well, things went awry, and therefore we have to come and take more money out of your pockets. This has never happened under our administration. The third sign of a strong and stable economy is its ability to manage and reduce debt. And Jamaica has done incredibly well in this, where we've seen as the case study for debt reduction. At the end of this budget, we will be below 70% debt to GDP ratio. This is the lowest we have been in over 30 years. The fourth sign is that our foreign exchange rate trades fairly stable and is market determined. And the truth is that Jamaica has never experienced this level of foreign exchange stability, though we have a freely traded, freely floating currency, probably the only freely floating currency in the region. And the fifth sign of the stability of our economy is that we continue to have more quarters of growth than no growth. And when you put all of these together, it shows a strong and resilient economy. And these are facts that are undeniable. So even the most biased and jaded commentator can't deny it. The truth is, Jamaica is fiscal.